Hello and welcome to our demo of Scalper, the class scheduling app. So I'm going to start. The user can start by logging in. I'm going to be logging into my account for the purposes of this demo. So once logged in, a user can go to the calendar from which he can see all the classes. As of now, I haven't imported any classes yet, so I'm going to import them. But before importing classes, I'm going to do a one setting thing where I will upload a cohort sheet, which is basically something that all department coordinators have access to. It's a sheet that says which courses belong to which cohort. So when I import my classes after this, these specific classes will be assigned to these cohorts. And that'll be useful for filtering by cohort and other things. So let's go ahead and import. I'm gonna import the sheet, which has 916 classes. And as you can see, 73 classes have been auto-assigned cohorts, like this class here, which is assigned senior, and so on. So I'm gonna start by importing. Once I've imported these classes, they show up on the calendar. And as you can see, the cohorts, rooms, Uh, instructor levels and feedback filters have all been auto-assigned based on the classes, which means you can filter by a specific cohort, by a specific room, instructor, level, subject, and so on. I'm going to start by only having all the freshman classes being displayed. So now we get to the concept of conflicts. As you can see, when there are two overlapping classes that share a cohort, a room, instructor, or a cohort room or instructor, then they have conflicts because uh, either for cohorts, it's not possible for a student in the same cohort to take two classes at the same time. So you can a user can view conflicts on the calendar through the color differences. So, and as well as through view conflicts. So right now I can see all the conflicts for the visible filtered classes. If you close that, you can also see all the conflicts for the classes that are not being displayed. So you can view the details for each conflict and you can see the specific class causing the conflict. So I'm going to start by resolving a conflict. The first conflict I will resolve is this Math 141, which has a conflict with Physics 211, a cohort conflict. The simplest way is to delete the class, which is not something a user would do during operation. But just to keep it simple, I'm going to do that. So as you can see, the cohort conflicts are gone. You can also move classes around in the calendar. You can edit their properties, the subject, course number, title, and other info, the start and end time, and you can assign tags. So I'm going to create a tag called this tag is cool, and then I'm going to assign that tag to this class. And then when I reload, it's now showing up as a filter. So I can use that to filter on the classes that I assign a user assigns their tags to. And finally, when all the schedule changes have been made, a user can export the schedule to PDF or Excel. And as you can see, all the classes have been exported. So that's it for this demo. Thank you for watching.